Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting confusing or irrelevant answers from Perplexity AI? Let me show you how to debug and fix them step by step. First, use focus modes. Under the search bar, click the focus drop-down, select academic for research, code for programming, or news for current events. This changes which sources Perplexity prioritizes. Second, add time constraints to your prompt. Instead of asking about AI regulations, ask about 2025 EU AI Act guidelines. This cuts through outdated information. Third, verify the sources. Scroll to the sources section. At the bottom of any answer, click the view button next to each link to check if the original page actually supports what Perplexity claimed. For example, if Perplexity says, a study proves something, open the source and see if the study really says that. Fourth, use follow-up questions. Do not start a new thread. Just type narrow down or explain the first point. This keeps your context and refines the answer without retyping everything. Fifth, ask for uncertainty. Include show where evidence is weak or flag low confidence in your prompt. This forces Perplexity to highlight contested claims. Finally, on free plan you have no custom spaces, but you can still use all focus modes and follow-up questions effectively. And that is its specific prompts. Focus modes and source verification will dramatically improve your results. If you fixed a confusing answer, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.